Hello guys, today I've got the AMAZFIT Active free premium and I'm going to show you what should you do if you have your sleep tracking not recording your sleep properly. The first thing that is important is to place your watch correctly on your hand. Ensure it's worn during the sleep. Ensure that it is here, it's tightly placed on your hand. It's just above your wrist bone and everything is nice here. The most important thing is that you need to ensure if it's worn, because I have had many times that I waited for this and the answer was that I didn't even wear it, so you know. But your watch, it doesn't actually know if you're asleep, so it doesn't measure actually directly your sleep, so no brain signals, and it guesses based on movement and heart rate. So if you lie still watching with your phone, it thinks that you're asleep. If you move a lot during sleep, it thinks you're awake. And it's because none of the class of your watch is just because it's impossible. I mean, not impossible, but it's not implemented in commercial watches to get the brain impulses into your watch. So you know. Apart from that, AMAZFIT algorithm expect normal sleep hours from evening to morning. So problems happen if you sleep very late and very early. You have irregular sleep schedule and naps replace main sleep. I've talked to you about the loose fit, so it's very common actually, because if the watch moves on your wrist, heart rate becomes inaccurate and sleep stages get messed up. So this is honestly one of the biggest causes. Sometimes the night movement breaks tracking, because if you turn a lot, get up at night, sleep on your arm, it's just bad for you. It may cause missing chunks, fake awake periods, and sleep may end too early. Apart from that, make sure to have these sleep settings enabled in your watch. Some of them are turned off by default, for example, REM tracking and breathing monitoring. So to enable that, click here this button, this bottom right button, and as you can see, find the sleep. As you can see here, we've got sleep. Tap it, and as you can see here, we have got REM. As you can see, if you see this, if you see that you have it enabled, you just see that as everything. It's nice, but here tap settings, and now make sure that the sleep breathing quality monitor is enabled and tap this tick icon to confirm this. You can set the sleep schedule so that your watch will expect when do you usually sleep. Make sure to disable the wake up alarm if you don't want to do so. Apart from that, it is not always perfectly reliable. This is the real world truth that nobody wants to talk about, because even reviewers notice that sometimes it says you slept when you didn't, and user report missed wake ups, wrong sleep start times, not detected as a sleep, or vice versa, etc. And what actually does fix it? All these things. As I said, tighten your watch properly, enable all these features that I showed you, wear it on non-dominant hand. For example, if your dominant hand is right, wear your watch during the night, of course, and during the day you can do everything you want, but during the night, wear your watch only on the non-dominant hand. For example, as I said, if your dominant hand is right, wear it on the left one. Keep consistent sleep times if it's possible. And don't expect perfect awake detection. Short wake-ups often are not detected, and lying still is still counted as a sleep. This is normal for almost all watches, so you know. Apart from that, sync and update your watch regularly in the application, because it can fix all the bugs and improve the algorithm. Avoid false sleep, so before the bed, don't lie still on phone for too long. Or just, you know. And don't play games in your bed, because it can detect no movement then, and everything should be nice now. That's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.